Whoa! We're going on an adventure! Adventure! Yeah! Whoa, look at the colors! Oh my god! It smells like strawberries! Oh my god, it does smell like strawberry! Strawberry! People, can you smell the strawberry? Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's so scary right now! It's like tentacles, man!
Oh, I feel so weird right now! I think we're just being born!
We're coming out of the stuff and the stuffy stuff!
Oh god! They're beating us!
Now we're coming out of the mama's vagina!
Yeah!
I can almost see the light!
Ducky!
Ducky.
Oh god, there's a soapy waterfall!
See? Even when we go to a car wash, we have the rubber ducky.
Yeah, rubber ducky!
I have one in my bathroom.
Oh god. That came out of nowhere.
Yo,
The
man.
zombies are coming, Tommy! The zombies!
It's like tentacles grabbing my car. Why can't you be sexy?
Hentai! Hentai! It's raining!
Spot free.
Ooh.
I don't like the spots. They're spotty.
Spots are evil!
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa!
It's like they're peeing on my car.
No, it's airbending, Tommy!
Waterbending.
No, because it's air pushing the water away. Alan!
Alan!
Yeah, look at all those
Okay.
jet streams right there. Alan! Yeah!
Holy shit, the car behind us is really fucking close.
I know. Well, that was the car wash, guys. Yeah!
Yeah! Now I clean the inside of my car. It looks like shit.
Yeah, it does. Look at that. Look at that. Shame on you.